northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brodhead to near Malta to near Sheridan, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Numerous reports of 60 miles per hour gusts have been reported with this line of storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Fox River Grove, Valley View, Algonquin, Lily Lake, Woodstock, Caneville, Aurora, West Dundee, Ridgefield, South Elgin, Kemen, Piscataqui Highlands, Hunley, Greenwood, Gilberts, Montgomery, Lakewood, Sheridan, Wayne, DuPage Airport, Baringo, St. Charles, Crystal Lake, and Sugar Grove, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120, Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Lockport, Joliet, and surrounding communities. A